Good day, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, now let's deal with the diminishing balance method of calculating depreciation, right? So, diminishing balance method, right? It is not tricky. So basically, what you're gonna do, right? You're gonna take your cost minus, not minus, actually multiply by the percentage. Then you'll get your depreciation, right? Let's do that. 100,000 multiplied by 20%, which gives you 20,000, right? And then, therefore, this would be your carrying amount would be the cost minus the 20,000. Therefore, it gives you 80,000. So, therefore, the carrying amount is the 80,000, right? So, okay, now here it gets a bit tricky, right? So, this is for year one. So when you calculate for year two, right, you take 80,000, like you take the carrying amount and not the cost. And then you multiply it by the percentage, right? Then you're gonna get your amount, which would be 16,000, right? So this would be your depreciation for year two, and therefore your carrying amount would be 100,000 minus accumulated depreciation. So therefore, accumulated depreciation would be this 20,000 for year one and this 16,000 for year two. Basically, you add 1 and 2 together, it would give you basically 36,000. Yes, because of 20,000 plus 16,000 is 36,000. Okay, perfect. And then your balance would be your carrying amount, right? So therefore, 100,000 minus 36,000 would give you 64,000. Okay. Now let's do the journals, right? So let's start with year one. So the depreciation for year one is 20,000, right? Okay. So you know you debit your expense, which is depreciation, and then you credit your accumulated depreciation, because accumulated depreciation is a negative asset and therefore it increases on the credit side. Okay, so basically this is for year one, and now let's dive into year two. So year two, our depreciation was 16,000. Therefore, you're still gonna do the same principles, and then you're going to debit depreciation with 16,000 and credit accumulated depreciation with 16,000. So this is how you do the journals for the diminishing balance method and how you calculate the depreciation for the diminishing balance method. Okay, so I hope everyone understands this. Let's go to part 3 for the production units method.